welcome back to my YouTube channel! We'll be doing a lot of unboxing videos, as well as sharing with you mine and Arya's homeschooling journey. All of this while doing our favorite household chores and being a full-time work-from-home mom at night. Because I'm here to give you tips and tricks on how you can earn and find a stable work-from-home job without leaving your home. Hey guys! It's Arra and welcome back to my YouTube channel! And for today's video, finally I'm back with another job here in Cyberbacker. And guys, this opening is currently under my division. Ayan, para po sa mga YouTube subscribers and followers ko na gusto po akong makatrabaho, now is your chance to apply. So ano nga ba tong job na sinasabi ko? No? I know I've mentioned this on my past video, I think last week, yung last week upload natin, binigyan ko kayo ng konting info about the current job offerings here in Cyberbacker na, again, 100% work from home or online base. Ayan, for the month of January of 2022. And I've mentioned on that video na I have 2 openings in my division, no? So, currently now, na-fill ko na po yung isa naming, work from home job dito sa division ko, which is yung content writer. But then again, I am still looking for that one. The one. Social media manager or social media backer. Ayan. So this video po is para doon sa mga aspiring cyberbackers na gusto po akong makatrabaho or gusto mag-work under the social media divisions ng cyberbacker, and also who wants to be a social media manager or social media backer. Ayan. But before anything else, again guys, gusto ko lang again mag-thank you sa mga taong walang humpay na nagbe-binge watch ng videos ko, sa mga taong gustong maging cyberbacker, and sa lahat ng na-inspire ko through my videos. I just wanna give a shout out to this very special girl. Her name is Monique, and I'll show you guys her message to me. Ayan. So, recently, nag-message siya sa akin. Sabi niya there, hello, Ma'am Arra. Happy Monday. This is Monique. I just want to say thank you. I first saw you on TikTok before following you on YouTube. Your videos inspired me to apply here in Cyberbacker. I was accredited last week. I got in on my first try, by the way. Congratulations. And I also got paired with a client during my first rapid fire interview. Just sharing this great news, and hopefully will continue to inspire more aspiring cyberbackers like me. Thank you again, and God bless. Ayan, thank you so much, Monique, for reaching out to me in our Slack channel here in Cyberbacker. I'm so, alam niyo yung mga ganyang messages, talaga naman nakakatuwa, no? Kasi it only proves that these videos that I do for you guys, this YouTube channel is, may silbi talaga siya, yung para sa inyo. And again, sa lahat ng mga nag-aspire to become cyberbacker, to join us here in Cyberbacker, don't ever give up, no? Ayan, so thank you so much, Monique, for sharing your message to me, and also congratulations on making it here in Cyberbacker. Ayan, so before anything else, again guys, I would like to invite everyone to join the Cyberbacker Career Night. What is Cyberbacker Career Night? Cyberbacker Career Night is a free online Zoom event made especially for those people like you who's watching who wants to work from home. Ayan. So if you want to know more about Cyberbacker, the work from home jobs that we are offering, the benefits, and also what available jobs are in right now, and also high paying jobs, or you know, if you just want to meet our CEO or meet the rest of our team and also our career team, all you have to do is to join the Cyberbacker Career Night. Nasa baba po sa description box ang link sa registration for Career Night. Again, Career Night is free, wala pong bayad, and it happens weekly on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Manila time. Ayan. So, see you guys there, okay? So now, let's go over dun sa job na sinasabi ko, which is yung social media backer or yung social media manager that I am already looking for here in our division. So, I will be able to share a lot of info to you guys about this job kasi ako yung gumawa ng JD, ng job description nito. Okay, so number 1, ano yung working hours nitong social media backer? This is going to be a full-time job role pala. And also, this is going to be on a graveyard schedule. So, ideally, it would be around like 12 midnight start ng shift, and then that's going to be an 8-hour shift. And then, this is going to be a completely different, field from cyberbacker. So I just need someone who can do community management, content planning, and also someone who can do Facebook or Instagram ads. So currently, this person ideally would be handling 3 social media channels, which is Facebook, Instagram, and probably a little bit of Pinterest. If you're someone who's also knowledgeable on TikTok, like creating TikTok content, and that's probably one of the things that will happen also for this job role. So ideally, this person should know how to manage online communities on all social media accounts or platforms that I've mentioned before. I'm reading the job description on my computer. This person will also develop social media strategies and create original digital content. And when I say create digital content, it's more about putting up like content buckets or content topics for this specific brand. And then you don't need to create like the actual visuals or the social cards, because we have an amazing creative team who will be, you know, helping you do all those. But definitely you will be the one to think of the content ideas and also content buckets that will be published on those social media accounts. And then next is, of course, you may or may not create like social media business pages or groups that will be relevant to the business. And then engage with potential online customers and generate leads. So meaning you need to engage with your audience, you need to engage with the community. It's either on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok. Of course, you should also know how to analyze social media reports and data analysis. So let's say, for example, what are the metrics that we usually look at in order for us to tell if what you're doing is effective or not effective. So if you're really someone who is into social media, you should know how to measure your awareness, your engagement, your growth, your reach, clicks, all of those metrics. And of course, you should also be able to stay updated on the latest current trends on social media worldwide. So not just here in the Philippines, but this brand that I'm talking about is specifically located in the US. So you should be able to, you know, find out what's the latest trends over there and be updated all the time in terms of Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. So, ayun lang. Ang dami ba? Ayan. So, yun yung mga main job description na I can share with you guys. But, this person that I'm looking for, the very, very important thing for me is that this person should be really passionate about what they want to do here in cyberbacker or with their skills, no. For this specific position, hindi ko naman nire-require na kailangan meron kayong like super extensive experience on managing like social media pages. Of course, this person will still undergo training under our division, but it really helps for you to know something already about social media. For example, you should be able to understand like how basic Facebook and Instagram ads work. You should also know how like the Facebook, Instagram algorithm works. So things like that, it could, you know, take a while for you to understand, especially if you're a fresh graduate. But again, fresh graduates are still highly encouraged to apply. I believe kasi on the saying na everybody is trainable, especially sa division ko na bigla na lang kaming lumaki, na hindi naman din lahat ng tao sa team ko started with a very extensive experience. I believe na you as a person can grow on the role and the job description themselves personally. And then also, what I like about this person who will be applying is that dapat lagi lang silang masaya, no? Dito sa division ko, lahat ng tao sa team, they're always happy, no? Regardless kung sobrang daming ginagawa, ang daming deadlines, ang daming urgent, ang daming priorities. But regardless of all of those, the people working under my team, masaya lang sila lagi, no? Bukod sa laging gutom, lagi lang silang masaya kasi they love what they do. So that for me is very important, and I make it a point na during interviews, so for this specific role, yung interview nito, I will be conducting the final interview. So, if you want to apply again for the social media backer, go through the whole process. Again, if you want to apply, ilalagay ko na lang dito sa taas kung ano yung pipindutin yung video or what video you need to watch in order for you to apply in Cyberbacker. And then also, I think, ilalagay ko rin dito sa taas yung ginawa ko before na interview guide. So, if I will be conducting your interview, those are usually the questions that I ask. So, you can, prepare yourselves better. Ayan. And then, again, for this one, final interview, I will be the one to conduct this interview. So, sana po, madalas kasi yung mga na-interview ko, medyo siguro natutuwa sila kasi ako yung nag-interview. Medyo nadidistract sila sometimes. Pag bukas ng Zoom, bigla nilang sasabihin, ay, si Miss Arra! Si Miss Arra, ganyan. So, natutuwa sila. Ako rin naman po natutuwa. But let's remember that it is a job interview. Now, when you see me there working, I am the Vice President of Social Media Marketing Division. I'm not your typical like influencer or YouTuber that you see now. So, always remember to be professional when you're with me there during the interview. And huwag kayong kabahan. Lagi ko sinasabi yun. Huwag kayong kakabahan kasi the way I conduct an interview most of the time, parang chikahan lang, no? So, I want to see your personality and I want to see how confident you are when you're answering questions. And if you know something about project management, or events planning, or events coordinator, then definitely this is going to be a plus for you. Yan. So, I can't reveal the brand, but definitely, if you are someone who loves to do events, or you've been doing events before, and you know a little bit of social media, or the things that I've mentioned within the job description or job role, then definitely this job might be for you. Ayan. Okay? So, ayan lang, guys. There you go. Dami ko na naman sinabi. Na-miss ko kayo. Alam ko, na-miss nyo rin ako. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. Again, happy 30,000 YouTube subscribers. Akalain nyo, abot tayo ng 30K. Kakatuwa naman. Ayan. So, again, guys, thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope na marami sa inyo mag-apply. And, guys, I encourage you to join the Cyberbacker Career Night. Again, register lang dun sa link natin sa baba, no? So, that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell for more work from home videos. Stay tuned, and I see you guys on my next videos. Bye!